Yo guys, see if you can help me out with what this noise is. Anytime I accelerate, I get a clicking or a ticking or something. It's hard kind of to describe, so just listen. I'll drop down the gear, and then I'll go real fast. I'm going around a curve. Just give me 1 second. But it's not doing it right here. 1 second. Of course, it doesn't do it now. Yeah, it's one of those things. Once you got the old camera out, it doesn't want to make the noise for you. I'm gonna slow way down here. There you go. It made the noise that time. Does anyone know what that is? Can you help me out here? Appreciate it. Thanks.